Welcome to Joshua's Adventure.
We're gonna have so much fun today.
Wait for the fun bit,
And we'll have
lots of fun.
Wait for the fun bit for the fun, then you'll find it interesting.
And lots of our fun. It's time for the show to begin. Welcome to Joshua's Adventures. Farm animals. Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to the farm today. And I really don't want to walk there because it's a far way there. And I think there's a solution to get there faster. Let's go. Let's go.
We're gonna do something, let's have fun. Who's going out there? We need to figure out. Who's going out there? Let's see on the board. Who's going out there?
It's Joshua, Maya. Get ready to place the emergency trampoline. Over. Placing the emergency trampoline now. Over. Roger that. Over. Moving more to the left. No, the right. Or maybe in the middle. Anyway, let's get to it. Looks like all the animals are up. I guess we can start off with... well, here's a cow. Oh yeah, fun fact that cows make milk. Speaking of milk, I'm actually kind of thirsty. I feel refreshed. Anyway, let's see what kind of other animals there are here. Now, where are the other animals? Hey, it's a chicken. Oh yeah, fun fact that chickens make eggs. Eggs can be used for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Most likely every meal for the day. Let's do horse feeding. Let's feed this horse a carrot. Wow, horses do like to giddy up sometimes. Glad I'm safe. Looks like it's nighttime. But I think we have time for one last thing for the night. Putting the animals back in their barns. Alright, first one. Where do the pigs go? Correct. The barn that says pigs. Where do the donkeys go? Correct. The gate that says donkeys. Wait, that means the sheep go in that gate. Well guys, I think we had a lot of fun today. Let's head back home. Okay, we're back home. And I might as well do one last thing for the night. I'll read you guys a book. It's called Farmer Tilly. I'll read it to you guys when we get in the bed. Alright, now since we're in the bed, I'll read you guys the story. So once upon a time, there was a girl that was named Tilly that owned a farm. And she fed all the animals like a good farmer. And one day, her cousins came to visit the farm. Tilly told her cousins how to work at the farm. And they actually paid attention. And they actually got the hang of it. And they had a lot of fun at the farm out that day. But they had to go home. But everyone lived happily ever after though. The end. We have time for one final thing for the night. That's right, you guessed it. It's quiz time! So our question for today is, what animal did we see first? A cow, B, a pig, or C, a chicken. The correct answer is A. Well, that's it for this episode today. See you all in the next episode, everybody.